Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the crypto challenge from TJCTF. The challenge name is Alchemist Recipe. So here is the challenge. I download with the challenge file here. The challenge file provides us a challenge script and an encrypted TXT. So let's see what is inside it. So this is the challenge script you can see. So in this portion, first the script makes some keepers from the fixed string. It hashes it, then splits it into figure, twizzle, and makes a S box called drizzle. Since the input stream is always the same, we can just round this part to get this key pieces for our decryptor. Then this portion, it encrypts the block for each block. It does three things: substitute bytes using drizzle S box, XOR it with twizzle, and shuffles the bytes using fliver. Then this portion, this portion, the main function paired the message to full blocks, then it encrypts each block. So we will decrypt each block, join them, then remove the padding at the end. The last byte tells us how much padding there is. So according to this problem, I need a solution script. So this is my solution script. Oh, sorry, I forget to show you the encrypted TXT. So this is it. This is just the encrypted message. So it is my solution script, you can see. Okay, so let's run this. And we got our flag here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.